What if I told you there's a free tool from Microsoft that will boost your PC's performance, help you manage data storage, run antivirus scans, and keep your Windows updates current, all in one simple program? Interested? Stick around. There's a new program from Microsoft that claims to be an all-in-one utility tool designed to keep your Windows PC running smoothly. Think of it as Microsoft's answer to third-party optimization tools like CC Cleaner or Advanced System Care, but baked right into the Windows ecosystem. Today, we're talking about Microsoft PC Manager. I'm going to break it down, show you where to get it, show you how to set it up. Let's jump in. Microsoft PC Manager is a free optimization and maintenance tool developed by Microsoft for Windows PCs. It's designed to improve system performance, enhance security, and free up storage space. Key features of Microsoft PC Manager include Boost, instantly frees up memory to improve system speed and responsiveness, designed for quick performance enhancements during heavy usage. Health checks, scans the system for junk files, unnecessary startup programs, and potential performance bottlenecks. Provides optimization recommendations to enhance overall PC health. Storage management, helps clear temporary and cache files, identifies large or rarely used files for easy removal, manages application sizes and disk usage efficiently. Security features include a built-in virus scan for detecting and addressing malware or potential threats, offers quick access to Windows Defender and security updates. Hey, just a quick clarification, the built-in antivirus and malware protection, that's the native Windows Defender. You can access it directly through PC Manager. If you're using a third-party antivirus software like Bitdefender, it will actually show up there, and if you click on it, it takes you to the Bitdefender user interface. Okay, back to the video. Update management ensures your Windows operating system and essential drivers are up to date. Streamlines update installations for improved performance and security. Startup app management lets you disable unnecessary startup apps to improve boot times. Pop-up management. The built-in pop-up manager reduces ads and pop-ups for an uninterrupted experience. Toolbox and desktop toolbar. Microsoft PC Manager's toolbox and optional desktop toolbar give you quick access to Windows features like Screenshot, Recorder, Notepad, Calculator, a currency converter, and even the weather. It places all of these Windows features together in one tool for easy access. Microsoft PC Manager is an excellent choice for casual users who want a lightweight, integrated tool to maintain their PC without diving into complicated settings or software. Now that you know what PC Manager is all about, let's go download it and set it up. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you found value in this video, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing to the channel doesn't cost you a thing, but it helps me tremendously with that YouTube algorithm. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and let's get back to the video. All right, let's jump in here into Google, and we're going to type in Microsoft PC Manager. It's going to be the first one here. You can also download this directly from the Windows Store if you so desire. I'm going to get it from right here. I'm going to go ahead and click the download button. You can see that it's already finished right here in the top right hand corner of my screen. I'm going to click that. This installation is going to be very quick. You're going to get the user account control screen. Just click yes, and this is going to download and set up pretty quick. And just like that, there it is. So now it adds this little toolbar here that you can either keep or get rid of. You can turn that off in the settings, but it gives you some information. CPU usage, gives you quick access to the screenshot, although you should check out my video on ShareX. It's a much better screenshot. Gives you quick access to the notepad. Gives you quick access to Edge, although I don't know why you would want that. So I'm just going to hide this for now. Okay, starting right here on the main screen. Your PC has a lot of temporary files. Use Deep Cleanup to free up space. So the first thing I'm going to do is just click Boost and see what happens. So right now I'm at 85% memory usage with a gig of temporary files. I'm going to click Boost. And that dropped me all the way down to 68% memory usage, just like that. There's plenty of things you can do here. You can check out your protection. Now mine have Bitdefender enabled on here, otherwise this would show the Windows Defender information. It's currently checking right now to see if I need any Windows updates. You can change your default browser settings, repair your taskbar, restore default apps, pop-up management. So this is on by default. We've enabled the pop-up blocker. You can set some custom blocks here. I'm going to leave that there for now. If I go look at my storage, it looks ridiculous because this hard drive is almost full. I can do a scan and a deep clean. I can click here to see what the large files are on this computer taking up space, but I already know that they are YouTube videos. You can check to see if you have duplicate files, which I'm sure I have a lot of those that I could be removing. Let's jump over here to apps. You can see which processes are running in the background and close any that you don't need opened. That's super handy. You can take a look here at your startup apps. These are the ones that are loading with Windows. For example here, Acrobat Collaboration Synchronization. Why? Canva, you don't need to start up. Now it's got my available Windows updates. I'm not going to do those now. Come in here to settings. I've got Smart Boost off. I don't need you to remind me when apps are available. Here's the toolbox. You got screenshot folder, recorders, captions, notepad, calculator, just quick access to the Windows tools. I'm going to go back over here to the home screen and run a health check. We already cleaned up the items. Got some browser cache we could clean up, and that is it. There you go. A completely free Windows optimization tool that can help you speed up your PC and combine multiple tasks into one simple interface. Don't forget to like and share the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out these video suggestions. Thank you for watching, and until next time.